Hello everyone, my name is Tanishka Goyal. I am a first-year BCA student at Poddar International College. My journey at Poddar has been full of learning, exposure and personal growth. This 1 year helped me to learn both technical and non-technical skills that gave me an opportunity to step out my comfort zone. During my BCA journey, talking about academic and technical learning, I learned fundamentals of computers, programming languages, database concepts, and other core subjects that strengthen my interest in technology and problem solving. Along with technical learning, I also improved my communication skill and confidence. I got opportunity to give presentation, interact with new people, and express my ideas in front of others with more confidence. One of my memorable achievements in this year was receiving recognition as Error Eradicator, which motivated me to continue learning and self-improving. Beyond technology, this college life taught me discipline, teamwork, time management, and importance of continuous self-development. Overall, this first year at Poddar has been a meaningful journey of growth, learning, and new experiences. I am excited for the opportunities and learning that the upcoming year will bring. Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions